Guys, in front of me is OPPO K10x, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So at first, enroll the settings, then find and select additional settings, go to date and time, and at first switch off automatic date and time. Now you can choose it manually from the list. Just look for it for the preferred one. Let's go back in time to 2014, and then set up time the same way. Just scroll and find the hour that you want to set, and that's it. That will be all. Then whenever you want to go back to automatic setup, just mark the stop indicator. Also, this panel allows you to set your time zone, so just unmark the current one, the automatic one, and then select the preferred one from the list. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.